Hello, here's my model of the layers of the Earth. The Earth is made up of 4 main layers: the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. The first layer, being the layer that we live on, is the thinnest of all the layers. The thinnest part of it being the oceanic crust, which is the part that is under the ocean, and it's about 3 to 5 miles thick. And then we have the continental crust, which is the part that is under the continents, and that is about 25 miles thick. The temperatures here range from air temperatures, which is what we breathe, all the way to 1600 degrees Fahrenheit in the deepest parts of the crust. The crust is made up of rocks, which are basalt and granite. The next part is the mantle. So the bottom layer of the crust and the top layer of the mantle, just make a quick little turn. There are these parts come together, and the crust and the upper layer of the mantle together make up a zone of rigid brittle rock called the lithosphere. This layer below the layer below this is the zone of the asphalt-like consistency called the asthenosphere. This part flows and causes convection currents, which moves the plates of the earth, which cause earthquakes. So this is where earthquakes come from, and that's how they happen. So going back to the mantle. The mantle is made up of dense rocks, and again, it flows. It's very hot, hotter than the crust. It's about 1,800 miles thick, and the temperature ranges from about 1,600 degrees Fahrenheit to 4,000 degrees. So if you think about it, we bake in our ovens at about 350 to 500. So that's for reference. The next layer is the outer core, which is hotter than the mantle, and it is made up of liquid iron and nickel. It is so hot that the metal melts in its liquid form. This one is 1,400 miles thick, and the temperatures here are about 4,000 to 9,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And the last part is the inner core, which is the hottest. And again, this is liquid iron and nickel. This one is about 800 miles thick, and it's about 9,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Another interesting thing about this part is it has 45 million pressure per square meter. So the liquid is liquid, but it doesn't flow because of all the pressure. So there is my model of the layers of the Earth.